In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a group meeting on Calendly step by step so you can create a simple booking link that lets multiple people reserve a spot at the same time. This is perfect for team sessions, workshops, office hours, webinars, coaching groups, or any meeting where you want more than one attendee to join the same event. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up, share it, and let people book until your spots fill up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see your event tools and scheduling options. From there, look for the Create button and click it. Then select Event Type. This is where Calendly lets you build a new meeting format from scratch, and for this tutorial, we want a group-style event. Next, choose Group as the event type. This is the key setting that turns your meeting into a group session instead of a one-on-one booking. Once you select that, Calendly will open the setup screen where you can define all the important details for your meeting. Now, enter your event name. Make it clear and easy to understand so invitees immediately know what the session is for. After that, set the duration. Think about how long your group meeting should last, whether that's 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, or longer. Then choose the location for the event. This could be a video meeting platform, a phone call, or any other location option you prefer, depending on how you run your sessions. After that, set the maximum number of invitees allowed. This is one of the most important parts of creating a group meeting because it controls how many people can book the same event. If you want a small group, keep the number low. If you want a larger session, increase it accordingly. Once the maximum spots are filled, Calendly will stop accepting additional bookings for that event. Next, configure your availability and booking settings. Here, you can decide when the event is available, what days and times people can book, and how the scheduling experience should work for your invitees. Take a moment to review these settings carefully so the event matches your actual schedule. This helps avoid double bookings and makes sure people only see times that work for you. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Calendly will store your group event and finish creating it in your account. After that, you'll be able to see the event link and use it to share your meeting with others. Now copy your group event link. This is the link you'll send to your invitees by email, message, or on your website. Anyone who opens it will see the available times and can book a spot in your group meeting. As people register, Calendly will keep track of the bookings until the maximum number of spots is reached. And that's the full process. You've now created a group meeting on Calendly, set the number of invitees, configured your availability, and generated a booking link that's ready to share. This is a great way to organize meetings without going back and forth manually with every participant. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.